Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica if you're new, and today I'm doing a clean with me video, a little speed cleaning video. If you're not familiar with my channel, I have a family of 6. There's 6 of us. I have 4 kids, and it is constantly hectic and almost out of control every day, but that's okay. So what you see is real life. Like, I don't hold anything back. My house gets completely annihilated, and we just clean it together because sometimes life's just not perfect. I know a lot of these cleaning videos, the houses look already like semi-clean when they go to clean them. So that's not what you're gonna get here. My house is pretty wrecked. So we're just gonna work through it and just get it done. It's not even the same day as whenever I filmed all of the cleaning, and it's already starting to get a mess again. And I pretty much do the same thing every day. I have about that much work to do every day. So yeah. Alright, if you guys end up loving this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there'll be tons more just like it. So I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Hanging by a thread, hung upon all the words you said, breaking free from this conformity that you force on me. Everything I do is one big show. It's about damn time that I take control. Put me under a microscope and watch me take control. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. And and dear God, save my soul 'cause it is flawed. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. Don't tell me that I need saving. Finally awake and living. Yeah. The pressure inside was building. I felt under attack, and now my mind's attacked. And I've chosen my path. I've chosen my path. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. And and dear God, save my soul 'cause it is flawed. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around.
Give me the reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there is no